When you're a small business, there's one enemy you're constantly fighting, and that is time. Without the staff and budget of a large corporation, you need to manage your time efficiently to focus your energies on the tasks only you can do. Outsourcing is your weapon against time. And by approaching it in the right way, you'll make your small business a lot bigger. Hello, I'm Trisha from Outsource Accelerator, and in this video, we'll be discussing how to approach outsourcing when you have a small business. Let's start. Outsourcing is the ideal way to give you back time, letting you focus your energy on the tasks that can't be delegated. To leverage outsourcing successfully, your approach to using it must be right. That means making it the final stage of your streamlining process. In other words, don't run before you can walk. You can break down the process of streamlining your business into 5 steps. Analyze, eliminate, optimize, automate, and then outsource. In the first step, you need to record where your time is being spent to find holes in your process. Using time tracking software helps you analyze how you spend your time, which can assist in finding the most time-consuming tasks that you can delegate. In the second step, eliminate. After the first business analysis, you must get rid of the irrelevant parts of your pipeline. The next step is to optimize. Get the most out of the essential cogs in your company machines by matching tasks of your employees' skill sets and providing them with the software to make the work easier. For example, moving to cloud software such as Google Sheets lets people work on projects more fluidly. In the fourth stage, you must find the right tools to complete tasks that can be taken away from you and your workers. You can use news aggregators to save you from searching for blog content, email marketing software to automate your mailing, and social media tools to streamline your content strategy. The final stage is where you hand out any tasks that can be completed more cheaply by outside sources. You can outsource to trusted BPO vendors or through freelancers, whichever option is more suitable for you. Businesses of all shapes and sizes use outsourcing to take back time. By approaching outsourcing as the logical conclusion to a holistic streamlining process, you can make sure you use outsourcing in the most cost-effective way.
Wow!
Even the largest institutions live and die by their success in outsourcing work. Nike uses a variety of overseas manufacturers to create its goods, while many of Apple's products are made by the Chinese company Foxconn. Success in outsourcing comes from picking the right outlet, and for your business, that means a choice between delegating tasks to a BPO provider or to individual freelancers. Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now. How you approach the decision of which outlet to use for your small business depends on your needs. For larger scale and longer-term operations, you may need a collective workforce to deliver your objectives. You may want to partner with a trusted outsourcing provider when you're delegating tasks like e-order fulfillment for an e-commerce business or building works for a big construction project, something that often happens with government contracts. However, it makes more sense to outsource to a freelancer when you're delegating less technical tasks like marketing, content creation, social media management, web development, and the likes. Remember, freelancer costs are tied to the market. For example, when using popular store builders, you can access a ready group of expert designers and developers who can customize your site for a small fee, whereas proprietary software will be more expensive to tweak as the talent pool is a lot smaller. As a small business, you have fewer bodies on the ground and lower capital to play with than larger businesses. Outsourcing is an excellent way to bridge the gap between your company and larger ones, so long as you retain control over the review process. How you approach this is simple. Treat your outsourced workers in the same way as your in-house employees. Keeping in control of your outsourced team combines self-protection, a clear channel of authority, and an awareness of your workers, all things you have in place with your own staff. Set out clear payment terms for your outsourced provider. Clarify your payment methods along with conditions for non-payment. Signing a contract with your outsource operative is essential as this provides you and them with legal security. It is also advisable to assign a trusted point of contact. Having a defined representative that your workers answers to allows you to keep on top of the quality, quantity, and accuracy of the projects. We recommend having a regular review with your offshore team, one that feeds back to the responsibilities in their contract. While it sounds obvious, your offsite team is like your on-site team, employees with their own quirks and concerns. Get to know your outsourced team. Find their motivations to see how you can help each other deliver the best results for your small business. And that is all for today's video. If you're a small business owner, try outsourcing while keeping the practices discussed in mind. You may just find great success by doing so. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and share. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.